Psychological safety, or work climate in which workers do not fear speaking up, asking for help, or admitting mistakes, is known to benefit performance at the team level within organizations. But how does psychological safety impact performance across an entire organization over time? Researchers studied schools as organizations and the ways in which teachers' reports of their workplace climate might have an impact on school performance. Here, school performance was measured by whether or not schools hit their performance targets around student learning, given to them by the state each year. Researchers studied two aspects of workplace climate: psychological safety and felt accountability, or how accountable employees feel for hitting the organization's standards and targets for performance. Researchers expected to find that high levels of psychological safety would improve school performance. However, they found the opposite. Schools with high psychological safety were less likely to reach their performance targets over time. However, when paired with felt accountability, a low level of psychological safety was helpful. In short, the best conditions for fostering organizational performance over time occurred when felt accountability was relatively high and psychological safety was relatively low. As the results show, psychological safety can act like a pinch of yeast, accelerating the benefits of having a workforce that feels highly accountable for reaching an organization's goals. Wonder how organizations may improve performance through psychological safety and felt accountability? If so, you may want to read this paper.